So at this point, I love to take a hot foot bath. I use warm water. I add in Epsom salt, and I also add in green alcohol. And it vibrates on my feet. It feels so good, so relaxing. It just really, really gives me a good feeling to relax and to take away the soreness of standing on my feet all day. I do recommend that you give this a try. It's amazing. If you're like me and you're standing on your feet constantly when you come home after that foot bath, you're going to want something to really relieve the pain. If you have pain in your feet or if you have soreness, this is what I recommend. This Hip Vanna pain relief, so amazing, and it doesn't smell. You can use this on your hands, your neck, your back, wherever you feel pain. It really does help. It's a little expensive, but I got this, I think, from Amazon for about $19.99. But I use it sparingly. But this is the best pain reliever if you're standing on your feet constantly. Here's one from doTERRA. I like to use this too. It's Deep Blue Rub, and I also have the natural oil to go with it. It's amazing, but it smells that menthol smell. It smells like, you don't want to wear that to work. And here's another one, Cause and Medic. Yeah, these are all, they're going to smell. Now here's another one. It's a hemp cream. I don't remember. I used a whole jar of this. Yeah, it doesn't have a strong smell. It does have that menthol smell, but it's not as strong. But I got this from Amazon also. So I think I kept this in my bag at work if I needed it. But to be honest, I only really need this if I've done a 10-hour shift. If I've been standing on my feet for 10 hours, then that's when you're going to have a problem and she's going to need to get some help. You see what I'm saying? So those are the things that I use. There's nothing better than having a good shoe with a good insole. I'm going to show you the link to some shoes. If you're having feet problems, they're the best. If you have to wear steel-toed shoes. I know Hoka, nurses wear a lot of those shoes too, and they said they're really good. But if you need steel-toed, these are the best hands down. Trust me, I have spent so much money from working at Amazon trying to find the best shoe. I'm going to link this shoe below, and people who have plantar fasciitis, fallen arches, anything like that have recommended this shoe. And I think I have a little bit of all of it. And they feel amazing. So I'm going to link that for you. So another challenge of working night shift is actually having to sleep during the day. A lot of people have a problem. They just can't sleep during the day. I mean, the light will keep you awake. It's just so many things. And you have to get your sleep. You have to get your sleep so that you can stay up all night. You got to drive home in the dark and you sleepy and you're tired. No, you got to get your rest. So I'm going to show you a couple of things that I do that's helped me and my husband. And if you're going through this, hopefully it'll help you too. So sleeping in the day is not always easy. So we do have blackout curtains in the bedroom. So to keep the daytime light down. I also find that any kind of sleep aid is so much appreciated. This Frenchie has this lavender vanilla cloud. And what I like to do is just spray me and my husband's pillows with this. And lavender is so relaxing, and it really does help you sleep better. These are a couple of more must-haves that I have to use, and this is my eye mask. As you can see, it's super thick. It's satin. It's very comfortable, and it has an adjustable band to fit my head comfortably. And I just put this over my eyes, and it blacks everything out. And then I use these earplugs also because sometimes during the day, you know, someone may knock at your door when you're trying to sleep. It could be a delivery from Amazon, it could be anything. And I find these truly necessary to help me get a good day's sleep. The next thing that I want to show you is this Dr. Till sleep lotion with melatonin and essential oils. I have to have this every night to just put on my hands before I go to sleep. It's super amazing. I can take melatonin in conjunction with this, and yeah, I'll have a good day's sleep with this and the melatonin together. So you definitely don't want to forget to take your vitamins. I take a 1-a-day vitamin, and I also take this Osteo Bioflex for joint health because if you're working in the manufacturing companies, you're going to need this. Your joints are constantly being used and you'll be sore. And I find this really helps me a lot. And I take apple cider vinegar. This helps with your digestive system because going from nights to days, when you eat, when you sleep, when you're not eating, when you are eating, it just screws up your digestive system if you let it. So I take this also. And I definitely take something for immune defense because you're working around so many people. And with the flu season going around, everything going around, you have to protect your immunity. So I take this. And I also take this raspberry um, emergency. I take one of these every day. Just put it in water. Yes, you have to keep yourself healthy. I don't know if you guys know this or not, but blueberries are super natural fighters of inflammation. So I try to snack on these and keep these on deck because just standing alone will cause inflammation to your feet. I found my feet getting inflamed more so than not. And as I showed you in one video, I don't know if you guys caught that, but I was doing ice foot baths and it really does help. Um, and you know, ibuprofen takes it away like none other, but that's not good for you. Ibuprofen can cause liver damage and it's not used for long term. You don't use it for long term. This is some that we have, but I know me and my husband both fight for this, but we've trying to find more natural solutions like turmeric and blueberries. Really watching your sugar intake. All these things will really help you, and you have to take care of yourself in the long run, not just for now. Yeah. So are you having problems standing on your feet, working 10-hour shifts, following arches? I hope this video helps you. I'm also going to leave you a link to a video that could help you when I was working at Amazon showing you how I relax. You have to take that time to relax to get everything together. You have to pamper yourself because you have been working hard. You have to pamper yourself, right? So please, you guys, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel if you enjoy my content. And hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye.